Hey, what's up people, welcome back to my channel. So this is your boy Avijay here, back again with another video. So in this video I will show you how to compress a file. So what is basically compressing a file? That is the original file that you see or get on any of your device, and then suppose a file of 100 MB is there, and with a compressor the file is compressed to 50 MBs and then transferred, and then it is decompressed and you get the original product, or the what I will say, that data of 100 MBs again. So and by using just 50 MB of your data for sharing, cost of 50 MB data. So that is the compressing of the file. It is much needed in storing and sharing files. You can store a much size of data, but in a compressed file, that so you cannot use that on the natural way, like just using it as the original file you will use. Like, so you can know that the software named WinRAR, you might have used it previously on any other occasions. So the software here we are using is the actually the WinRAR itself. So I have already installed a WinRAR. You can, let me show you. So, and if you are here new and you don't know my channel and you came up for the first time, so this is my channel. Here I talk about technologies, tech stuff, anything related to your computer or your mobile or your things, and especially this is a programming oriented channel and also technology, and both are mixed up. So if you like my channel, you can also check out other videos. And yeah, that was the intro of my channel, and pretty much. So what is here we're doing WinRAR? You can just go to the direct site, or you can see it is download for free, and I will also give the link in the description below for your easier purpose. And the latest version is 5.8.0. It is basically we don't need the buy WinRAR every time, just for special cases it is needed, but not for this purpose. So I have already installed WinRAR, so I will not show you how to install it, sorry, but here I will show you how to compress it. So let me show you first. You can see here it is a JPG file of 200 KB. So it is a picture, and now I will compress it to add to archive. So here it is the general RAR format, and the dictionary size is 32 megabytes. So let it be, keep it as usual, and just click on OK. And here you can see a caption one RAR has been created. Let me keep it under it. Now let's see, it was a size of 200 KB, and now this is a size of 154 KB. But let me show you, this is so what I told you, it will not open up as your previous one, but you need to use the software and then open it, and you can see the same picture. This was as the same picture this is. So, and now again, this is a video MP4 file of 448 MB, length of 7 minutes or 7 seconds, and this was my previous video which I made on the Edge browser. So if you haven't checked it out, you can check it on the top right corner I button. It was the new Edge browser. You can see right here, it is the new Edge browser that you can upgrade it and install it on your Windows machine. Also it is available on your Mac. So now where we will, let's get back to it. So we will also archive it, that is compress the file, and now let's see how much it becomes. So now the file is compressed, and guess what will be the size, and if you guessed right, just comment it out what you have guessed, and let's see if you are correct or not. Around let a range of 50 somewhere, like if it is a 150, if you write 100, and 145 if it is the size, and if you write 100 and 150, then you are almost correct. So guess it out and write on the comment section, and now let's see it here. So it is up 396 megabits. So the compression is that length of 400 MB that is reduced to 396 MB, and you can share a less than 400 MB file now. And yeah, that was in this share compression. So also now how to decompress it, and will you be able to get exact file. First of all, let me just, this is a 200 KB, let me now delete this file and then extract this file here. Okay, so file extraction is completed, and you can see 200 KB file is here. Again, let me just delete this file here, and you can see extract files here. So file extraction is completed, and this is a 448 MB. So let's compress it to 1024 MB. Okay, so the file has now been compressed, and let's see how much it is, and now it is of 394 MB. So this was the file compression and how to compress a file using the WinRAR that the software has been used. So that was in this video. Hope you liked this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel, and also content like this will be up on my channel, so stay tuned for that and hit the bell icon for your notifications. So that was in this video. Bye bye, see ya, peace.